You know, starting a habit is pretty difficult. It's just getting into the rhythm of it. Today, we'll be doing a toy cubby and a sandbox for the kiddo. But first, doing my push-ups.
We're just building a simple rectangle so your dimensions will differ. I'm using normal 2x6 plain wood.
Alright, paint's almost dry here, but what I want to do is I want to notch it out halfway through. So when I put the pieces together, at least it'll be a little bit more stable. About halfway through, get this out, and I'll do the opposite on the other end, on all 4 pieces. That way when I put it together, it's not just a butt joint. Butt joints aren't very strong. Just finishing off these edges here. We'll waterproof them. Doing another coat. After this dries, throw it together, put a weed barrier in, and that will be it. Well, of course you gotta throw in the sand, but almost there, come along. That paint's dry, so I'm gonna put in a 3-inch screw.
Put on the weed barrier in its final location. I used 5/8 staple spaced about 3 inches apart all around the edges. Flip it over.
There's no right or wrong.
Level everything out.
Not done, but just one more thing that we gotta put in here. You got a sandbox now. You like it? Okay, good.
That's it for today. Hope you and the kid enjoy. Until next time, stay relaxed, keep on living.